Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tarun. I am from the class section. I am here to deliver a speech about my experience in the school. I came in the school in 7th class. So our class teacher was Anuradha ma'am. So our Anuradha ma'am was going to show motivation classes every day. So she used to motivate us every day. She continuously used to motivate us group in the session. So our best experiences was with her until 10th class. So our second class teacher is our Ganga teacher. So Ganga ma'am is a beautiful and gorgeous teacher in my life. So there she used to scold us and she used to explain us about our moral values that we have to obey in our life. So our second and our third most important class teacher is our Premanani ma'am. So she used to tell us about our goals, our achievements, what we have to do in our life, how we have to behave in our life, and how we have to respect our elders and our elders. So, and our fourth, and our class can tell us the teacher, the sir, is our second parent in this school. So, the sir used to take continuously, then in 65 years he used to take classes from our 8th class. So, he used to explain about our goals. How should we keep our goals? So our sir will tell only one thing: dream big and achieve it. So I will thank our very gratitude towards our teachers. I am feeling very nervous today because we have just 15 days in school. My school life is ending within 15 days. Thank you.
Very mind-blowing speech by Tarun. So emotional speech. Can you observe that he didn't even ఒక్క తెలుగు పదం కూడా అంటే what do you say word కూడా మాట్లాడకుండా he gave the complete speech in English. Just appreciate him. Yes. మనం మామూలుగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడతాము, ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడతాము, హిందీ మాట్లాడతాము, ఏ భాష తెలుగు మాట్లాడతాము. But he is a person who